push him. Bum Bum. Lie down right in this nice sun. See right here. Don't put him in the bug. Yeah, funny. Push him in. I know, you haven't ever been in a royal bed before. You've only been in this box before. Woo! Get. You're locked in. You want me to do this? It's a Bum Bum so cute.
Is he okay?
Yeah.
Daddy thinks you should clean out Bunny's cage.
Me?
Excuse me, David. Uh-huh.
Why me?
Where's your bunny?
I'd rather just leave it.
Oh, pretty smelly in there.
You close the shades because I'm hot. Here, Bum Bum. Here.
He doesn't seem that happy.
Bum Bum's not shivering that much anymore.
Maybe he doesn't like the camera.
He doesn't like the camera,
Maybe
Dad.
that's it.
No. Take it away.
Maybe that could be it. Because, you know, he was fine, even with Kitty in there.
Kitty's out there.
We know.
Come on, Bum Bum. Get backward so David can't tape you. Here you go. David, let's see the tape. Going on 12. 2. Oh. Get out of your box. Look my. Oh, so what? Nosy. Nosy. Because I do. I do. So I think what do you every day? What are you doing? No. What to remember? Mom, Bum Bum got out of his box and he spreaded that all over.
Hey, you know what? I think he's going to need to go to the bathroom. No. I don't want him in here when he goes to the bathroom. Okay?
Mom, but
I want him out of here real soon because I don't want a big bathroom mess. He doesn't need to stay in here that long. Look at this mess. He's going to go to the bathroom too. Hi, Bun.
Isn't it so nice?
We can bring him in here more often, but let's not leave him in very long.
Mom, no, no. Yes, remember what I told you this morning?
Hi, Benny. You are a nice Bun Bun. Really are. Nice furry velvety ears. Sweet bunny. Hello, Bun Bun. Careful. Careful. Almost time for Bunny to go back, I think, John. Oh, Kitty's out. I thought Bunny was too scared. Come on, Bunny. Sweet Bunny. But he's making a mess in my house.
Is he?
That's what I don't like. I'm afraid he's into the bathroom. Really? But his cage does need to be cleaned out before you put him back. I do everything else.
A big ear, close up. I gotta take him. Mom, would you take Kitty out?
He's eating.
Okay.
Oh, wait a second. Well, Bunny is scared. I think it's time to put him back in the cage.
No.